Today is a very special day. Our director treated all of us, my colleagues in the school office, our extension coordinator, and the whole team for a spa and unlimited food here in Wensha.
Hi everyone. So nag-aantay tayo ng bus papunta ng PITX kasi from there mag-LRT tayo and then MRT.
From Cavite, nag-travel pa kami all the way to Quezon City. By the way, ako lang pala nag-travel from Cavite para ma-experience this relaxing time together. It's not every day na we can get moments like this, kaya sobrang thankful kami. After all the busy days, working, serving, planning, and grinding, this is really a blessing and a break na very much needed. Here, we get to rest, recharge, enjoy good food, good conversation, and good company. This is one of those days na you really treasure because it's not about luxury, it's about being together, being appreciated, and enjoying the gift of community. So come with me and let's enjoy this Wensha experience together. Spa, massage, unlimited food, and memories worth keeping.
So nakarating na tayo sa Wensha Spa.
Hallway papunta sa massage. So this is the massage area. Ayan, dyan ka massage. Like that. Kasi po. Tignan natin anong mga ulam. Wow, what's this? Hi, ma'am. Ang ganda.
Kitang-kita ko pag tumusubok.
So, ayan. Tapos na tayo mag-sauna. Ngayon naman, magpapalisa tayo for massage. So, meron tayong 1 hour na massage. From here sa massage, pwede na daw mag-vlog. So, let's try.
If ever may therapist na ngayon at kung magpapa...
Okay lang. Pwede na ako. Talaga. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa ma. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, yan. Ayan siya. May ilaw yan eh. May ilaw pala to. Okay lang. Ayun pala naman.
Yung kasi, minsan kailangan nyo din magganito.
Ang ganda ng pagkakaano natin. Layo-layo. O, diba? Oh, see. Ha.
Hi guys, this is our magandang cortina. Nagagawa ni Lolo sa akin. Malapit na ako dito na ako si Villas.